17. Grand Valley State University's 2023 senior project team focused on developing a bi-propellant rocket engine. Group members consist of Jaden Grunheid, Dawson Coates, Chris Osborne, Josh Boverhoff, and our faculty advisor, Dr. Wendy Reffer. We first started the project by laying out our required specifications. These included a minimum burn time, thrust goal, chamber pressure, propellant choice, max total impulse specification via the FAA standard, weight and size. We used chemical equilibrium with application software to develop which propellants we should use. We decided to use isopropanol and nitrous oxide as they were inexpensive, easy to obtain, and relatively safe and gave well performance. We used this software as well to develop our chamber pressure goals, which ultimately fed into our thrust. We then started prototyping different injector designs. We ended up going with a showerhead splash plate hybrid, which gave us the simplicity of a showerhead but superior impingement results from cold flow testing with a splash plate. We also prototyped a cone for spell nozzle utilizing CFD software, leading us to choose a cone nozzle. We then started building the necessary components for a project, being the injector stack, combustion chamber, pressure vessel for our isopropanol tank, and were gracious enough to get our orifice plate machined by Howmet Aerospace. Once our injector was made, we started doing cold flow testing utilizing water and nitrous oxide. This testing was necessary to ensure our mass flow rates were correct and that we were getting proper impingement and atomization of the flows. We also tested various ignition systems. On the right, a pyrotechnic compound, and on the left, a solid rocket motor that we ended up actually using for the ignition of our rocket engine. During our static fire testing phase, we had a plethora of failed tests where we were creating ignition outside of the combustion chamber through either blowing out our igniters or creating detonations in the combustion chambers. We fixed these issues by a number of changes, which had a resounding success.